spinal cord injuries, SCIs, cause severe damage to the nervous system, resulting in impaired motor function and sensory loss. Endogenous neural stem cells are activated following SCIs and migrate to the injury site, where they differentiate into astrocytes, which are unable to transmit neural information through the injury site. This limits the ability of the brain to recover from the injury. Novel approaches have been developed to promote endogenous neurogenesis, including tissue engineering, stem cell technology, and physiotherapy. These approaches have demonstrated potential for treating SCIs by stimulating endogenous neurogenesis and improving motor function. However, there remain many challenges and limitations associated with these treatments.
This article was authored by Haiyang Yu, Shangbin Yang, Haotao Li, and others.